The impossible made possible. That's the only way to describe what you're looking at right now. For complete levels of luxury living space, mounted on wheels, ready to travel anywhere your heart desires. This isn't just pushing boundaries, this is obliterating them entirely. Imagine standing at the base of this magnificent machine, craning your neck upward to take in all 4 stories of curved glass and burgundy brilliance towering above you. This is what happens when engineers stop asking if they should and start proving they can. Welcome to the world's largest motor, a monument to human ambition and the relentless pursuit of luxury without compromise. Welcome back to DreamDrive Homes, where we showcase the most incredible mobile living spaces ever conceived. Today we're taking you inside something that defies all conventional understanding of what a motorhome can be. This is the 2026 Kenworth W900 4-level motorhome, officially the world's biggest motorhome, and every single specification about this vehicle will blow your mind. From the legendary Kenworth W900 tractor pulling this architectural marvel to the top-floor penthouse suite 4 stories above the ground, this is mobile living taken to its absolute extreme. Let's start by putting this into perspective. Most motorhomes are essentially fancy buses or trucks with living quarters built on top. Even the most luxurious coaches rarely exceed 45 feet in length and stand maybe 12 to 13 feet tall. Now look at what we have here. 4 distinct levels stacked vertically, each one featuring those dramatic, curved expansion sections wrapped in floor-ceiling glass. When fully deployed, this motorhome transforms from a travel-ready configuration into what can only be described as a mobile skyscraper. We're talking about a structure that likely stands 35 to 40 feet tall when fully expanded, roughly equivalent to a 4-story building. The length extends well beyond 70 feet, possibly approaching 80 or 90 feet from the front bumper of that Kenworth to the rear of the 4th level. The engineering challenges of creating something this massive that can also travel safely on public roads are staggering. Let's talk about weight distribution first. A fully loaded semi-truck and trailer in the United States can legally weigh up to 80,000 pounds. This 4-level motorhome with all its glass, structural supports, furnishings, systems, and equipment would push well beyond that even before you add passengers, supplies, and personal belongings. We're realistically looking at a gross vehicle weight that could exceed 100,000 pounds, possibly much more. That means this isn't just a commercial truck. This requires specialized permitting, route planning to avoid bridges and roads with weight restrictions, and possibly even escort vehicles in some jurisdictions. That Kenworth W900 at the front isn't just there for looks. Kenworth's W900 series represents the absolute pinnacle of American heavy-duty trucking heritage. That long hood design, which looks so elegant and imposing, houses an engine that's nothing short of a monster. To pull something this heavy, we're talking about a top-of-the-line engine, probably a Packard MX-13 or Cummins X15, producing somewhere between 500 and 600 horsepower with torque figures exceeding 2,000 foot-pounds. That kind of power is what you need to pull for stories of luxury up mountain grades and across varying terrain. The transmission would be an automated manual with 18 speeds or more, optimized for both efficient highway cruising and the low-end grunt needed to get this massive structure moving from a standstill. The chassis and suspension systems represent custom engineering at its finest. Standard truck air suspension wouldn't be sufficient for something this tall and heavy. You'd need specialized multi-axle configurations, possibly 6 or 8 axles total when you count both the truck and the trailer sections. Each axle would feature advanced air suspension with electronic leveling systems that constantly monitor and adjust to keep the entire structure stable and level, regardless of the terrain beneath. The computer systems managing all of this would be making thousands of calculations per second, adjusting individual air springs to compensate for weight shifts, road irregularities, and wind forces. Speaking of wind forces, let's discuss the aerodynamic nightmare of moving a 4-story building down the highway. Wind resistance increases exponentially with frontal area, and this motorhome presents an absolutely massive profile to oncoming air. Those beautiful curved sections aren't just aesthetic choices, they're functional necessities. The flowing, organic shapes help air slip around and over the structure more efficiently than angular corners would. Even so, specialized fairings, air deflectors, and careful attention to every surface detail would be essential to make highway travel even remotely feasible. Crosswinds would be a constant concern, especially for something this tall. Advanced stability control systems, possibly including active aerodynamic elements that deploy in high wind conditions, would be necessary to keep this massive structure stable and safe. Now let's explore what makes this truly special. Those 4 distinct levels of living space. The ground level, built directly onto the trailer frame, would serve as the main hub of daily activity. This is where you'd find the primary living room, probably featuring a massive sectional sofa arrangement facing a wall-sized entertainment system. The kitchen would be here too, and we're not talking about a compact RV galley. This would be a full residential kitchen with multiple ovens, a commercial-grade range with at least 6 burners, dual dishwashers, a refrigerator-freezer combination that would make restaurant owners jealous, and more counter space than most suburban homes. The dining area could easily accommodate 10 or 12 people at a formal table, with additional breakfast bar seating at the kitchen island. The ground level would also house critical systems and storage. Behind elegant cabinet doors and hidden access panels, you'd find the mechanical heart of this beast. Water systems including freshwater tanks holding hundreds of gallons, gray and black water tanks of similar capacity, water heaters, pumps, and filtration systems. The electrical systems would be equally impressive, featuring massive battery banks, possibly lithium-ion packs with capacity measured in kilowatt-hours rather than amp, multiple generators for charging and backup power, sophisticated inverter systems for converting DC battery power to AC household current, and distribution panels, managing power flow throughout all 4 levels. The second level represents a transition from public to private spaces. This floor might feature additional guest accommodations, perhaps 2 or 3 separate bedroom suites, each with its own ensuite bathroom. These wouldn't be cramped RV bedrooms with tight quarters and minimal storage. We're talking about rooms that rival fine hotel suites, with queen or king beds, walk-in closets, sitting areas, and bathrooms featuring full-size showers, soaking tubs, dual vanities, and premium fixtures. The second level might also include a media room or entertainment lounge, a space specifically designed for movie nights, gaming, or socializing separate from the main living area. Those expansive windows at every level mean even secondary spaces enjoy spectacular views and natural light. The third level would continue the progression toward more private, exclusive spaces. This could be where you find the home office or library, a quiet sanctuary away from the social areas below. Imagine built-in bookshelves wrapping around curved walls, a substantial desk positioned to take advantage of those panoramic views, comfortable reading chairs, and all the technology infrastructure needed for remote work or managing investments. The third level might also feature a fitness room, because when you're building something this large, why not include a private gym, treadmill, weights, yoga space, all with views that beat any commercial fitness center. But the fourth level, that top floor visible in all its glory, that's where this motorhome truly earns its title as the world's largest and most luxurious mobile home. The entire fourth level would be dedicated to the Master Suite, a private penthouse in the sky. Picture walking up an elegant staircase, each step bringing you higher above the ground, until you emerge into a space that defies belief. The master bedroom would occupy the central area, probably featuring a king-size bed custom-built into the space, positioned perfectly to take advantage of views in every direction. Those curved glass walls wrap completely around the top level, creating a 360-degree panorama of whatever landscape you've chosen. The master bathroom on the fourth level would be a spa-like sanctuary, a freestanding soaking tub positioned by the windows so you can bathe while watching stars or storms, a massive walk-in shower with body jets, rainfall heads, and steam features, dual vanities with theatrical lighting, heated floors throughout, a separate water closet for privacy, walk-in closets with custom storage solutions that would make professional organizers weep with joy. Some designs might even include a private terrace or balcony accessible from the fourth level, a space where you can step outside, high above the ground, and take in the view from your mobile penthouse. Climate control across 4 levels presents fascinating challenges. You can't just run a single HVAC system for a structure this large with this much glass. Each level would need its own dedicated heating and cooling systems, probably multiple zones per level, so different areas can be set to different temperatures based on occupancy and preference. Those massive windows, while spectacular, are thermal challenges. They'd need to be triple pane at minimum, probably with low emissivity coatings, inert gas fills between panes, and possibly even electrochromic dimming technology that allows the glass to tint electronically for privacy and solar heat reduction. Radiant floor heating throughout would provide comfortable warmth that doesn't rely on forced air. In summer, powerful air conditioning systems would battle the greenhouse effect from all that glass. The hydraulic systems managing those expanding sections across all 4 levels would be extraordinary. When you arrive at your destination and prepare to deploy this mobile mansion, you're not just pressing a button and watching a couple of slide-outs extend. You're initiating a carefully choreographed sequence where multiple sections at multiple levels extend outward simultaneously, each one moving on precision guides, each one monitored by sensors, ensuring nothing binds or misaligns. The whole deployment process might take 15 or 20 minutes, during which hydraulic pumps work steadily, extending sections, deploying stabilizer jacks, leveling the structure, and locking everything securely in place. The reverse process, retracting everything for travel, would be equally complex, requiring careful attention to ensure every section seals properly and secures for the road. Water management in something this large approaches the complexity of a small building. Multiple water heaters would be necessary, probably tankless on-demand units, placed strategically throughout the structure to provide instant hot water at every tap, without waiting for water to travel through long pipe runs. Gray water from sinks and showers would require substantial holding capacity, probably 500 gallons or more. The black water system for toilets might use advanced macerator technology to break down waste and allow it to be pumped out more easily through smaller diameter hoses. Some luxury RV owners even install gray water treatment systems that allow them to reuse shower and sink water for toilet flushing or irrigation, extending the time between dump station visits. Electrical demands would be massive. Modern luxury living requires serious power. Between lighting, climate control, kitchen appliances, entertainment systems, computers, and all the other devices we depend on daily, this motorhome would need electrical capacity approaching or exceeding what a large residential home requires. The battery banks mentioned earlier would need to be truly enormous to provide reasonable off-grid capability. Solar panels across that expansive roof surface could contribute meaningfully to charging, possibly generating several kilowatts under ideal conditions. But realistically, you'd still need generator power for extended off-grid stays or high-demand situations. Multiple generators, possibly paired in a redundant configuration for reliability, would provide the backbone of the electrical system. Connectivity and technology integration throughout all 4 levels would be a whole home automation system would control lighting, climate, security, entertainment, and more from central control panels or smartphone apps. You could adjust any system from anywhere, checking on the motorhome remotely when you're away, pre-warming it before you arrive, monitoring all systems in real. Multiple satellite internet systems would provide connectivity even in remote locations, probably with automatic failover between providers for maximum uptime. Cellular boosters and Wi-Fi mesh networks would ensure strong signals throughout all 4 levels. Security cameras would provide complete coverage around the entire vehicle, with night vision and recording capabilities. Entertainment systems would be distributed throughout. The main living area would feature that massive screen mentioned earlier, probably 85 inches or larger, with premium sound systems that would make audiophiles smile. Additional screens in bedrooms, the media room, and other spaces would all be networked together, allowing content to flow wherever desired. Satellite or streaming television, digital music libraries, gaming systems, all integrated and easily accessible from any location within the motor. The cost of creating something like this would be genuinely staggering. Custom motorhomes built on commercial truck chassis already start in the 7-figure range for relatively conventional designs. Something this extreme, with 4 levels, all that glass, custom, everything, and the engineering required to make it actually work, we're probably looking at $5 to $10 million minimum, possibly much more depending on the level of customization and luxury finishes specified. The build time would be measured in years, not months. A dedicated team of engineers, architects, craftsmen, and specialists would work full-time on the project, solving problems that have never been solved before, creating solutions for challenges that have never been encountered. Maintenance and operating costs would be proportionally extreme. Fuel economy would be measured in gallons per mile rather than miles per gallon. That massive engine working hard to pull all that weight might achieve 4 or 5 miles per gallon on flat highway at best, probably worse in hilly terrain. With fuel tanks holding hundreds of gallons, you could travel reasonable distances between fill-ups, but each fill-up would cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. Insurance for something this valuable and unique would be a specialized policy with premiums, reflecting the replacement value and liability concerns of operating such an unusual vehicle. Storage when not in use would require a climate-controlled facility large enough to accommodate something 4 stories tall and approaching 100 feet long. Yet despite all the challenges, the impracticality, the enormous cost, there's something undeniably compelling about this concept. This represents human ambition at its finest, refusing to accept limitations, pushing boundaries, creating something that makes people stop and stare in wonder. The 2026 Kenworth W900 4-level motorhome exists at the intersection of engineering excellence, architectural ambition, and luxury without compromise. It's a rolling statement that says the journey matters as much as the destination, and that journey should be experienced in absolute comfort and style. This is DreamDrive Homes, where we celebrate the visionaries who dare to dream bigger, build bolder, and refuse to accept that something can't be done. The world's largest motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobile luxury, for complete levels of living space mounted on the legendary Kenworth W900 platform. Whether you're a luxury RV enthusiast, an engineering geek who loves seeing impossible problems solved, or simply someone who appreciates extraordinary craftsmanship, this motorhome represents something special. Hit that subscribe button and join us as we continue exploring the most amazing mobile homes on the planet. The road ahead has never looked more spectacular, and we're thrilled to have you along for the journey.